Each wave connects, it pulls us there. A journey formed beyond compare. It binds the world in what we share. The ground beneath begins to sway. Each tone unfolds, it clears the way. A song that lifts, it will not stray. A timeless sound, it's here to stay. Feel the waves begin to rise. The power clear before our eyes. Flowing streams that guide the soul. A force that makes us all feel whole. A sound that carves a lasting role. It moves us all, it claims the goal. The beat becomes the life we know. It shapes the ground where we will go. It binds the world where hearts convey a time.